Alright, I've been comparing the Xiaomi 17 Max, 17T Pro, and 17 Pro Max. And honestly, the differences are more interesting than they look on paper. Starting with the 17T Pro, this feels like the value performance pick. You're getting the Dimensity 9500, a massive 7000 mAh battery, super fast charging, and a really smooth 104Hz display. It handles gaming and daily use easily, but the cameras are just decent, not flagship level. Now the 17 Pro Max is the true flagship experience. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, better overall camera setup with that 5x zoom, premium build quality, and more refined performance. It's the most balanced, but also the most expensive and slightly heavier in hand. Then the 17 Max sits in an interesting spot. It pushes a huge 8000 mAh battery and strong performance, making it a beast for endurance and gaming, especially if screen size matters more than camera polish. So, my take? 17T Pro for value, 17 Pro Max for the full flagship feel, and 17 Max if battery life is your top priority.